Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I, Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School, Mahua, am here to further continue with the subject of English grammar for the students of class 6th. My dear students, during the previous lecture, we started unit number 21, that is degrees of comparison of adjectives and adverbs. So, we saw that adjectives and adverbs can have three basic forms that indicate the comparison of quality or quantity they represent. We also saw the examples of how to convert base form into comparative and superlative form. Today, we are going to see the irregular forms of comparison. Some some comparatives and superlatives have set forms and are not formed by adding er or est. So some type of comparative and the superlative form will not be formed by adding er or est to the base form. Here the example is given: good, better, and best. So here the comparative and the superlative form will not be formed by adding er or est to good. So in order to compare here, we will use good, better, best, many, more, most. Comparison by adding more and most. Adjective that consist of one or two syllables usually form comparative and superlative form by adding er or est. So the first word here which you will find difficult to understand would be syllable. So syllable means the uninterrupted form of speaking the word. That is the basic meaning of syllable. So when we try to speak a word, into how many parts we divide that word is considered as syllable. So here, when we divide an adjective that consists of one or two syllables, that means the word which we can speak in one or two parts, they will be formed usually by adding er or est. But the adjective that have three or more syllables usually need more and most to form their comparative and superlative. So here when if the adjective is divided into three or more than three parts, we will add more and most to form comparative and the superlative forms. So let's see the example here. The base form with single syllable. So the base form with only one syllable, that means the word which we can speak all together. Here it is kind, kinder, kindest. Wise, wiser, wisest. The base form with two syllables, tidy. We can divide this word into two parts. Tidy. So tidy, tidier, tidiest. Lovely, lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Angry. So angrier, angriest. So now let's see the base form with three or more syllables. Beautiful. So here beautiful is divided into three parts when we try to speak it. So beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Careful, more careful, most careful. Efficient, more efficient and most efficient. Let's come to the exercise. Use the comparative and the superlative form of the following adjectives. So let's start this exercise. Young, younger, youngest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Light, lighter, lightest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Happy, happier, happiest. Rich, richer, richest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Deep, dipper, deepest. Sticky, stickier, stickiest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Neat, neater, neatest. Crazy, crazier, craziest. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. Poor, poorer, poorest. Strange, stranger, strangest. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Tasty, tastier, tastiest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Full, fuller, fullest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Now let's see exercise number 2. Complete the following table with the correct form of adjectives. Here we need to write the base and the superlative form. The spaces which are empty we need to fill it. Spicy, spicier, spiciest. Different, more different, most different. Large, larger, largest. New, newer, newest. Blue, bluer, bluest. Naughty, naughtier, naughtiest. Little, less, least. Happy, happier, happiest. Bad, worse, worst. Small, smaller, smallest. My dear students, today we are here at the end of today's video, and hence in the very next class we will be continuing the further part of this chapter. So till then you have to write activity number 1 and exercise number 2 as a part of your homework. Thank you and have a nice day.